What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Roman. For today's video I'm going to use this car Dihu mid-fire on my Volkswagen Golf Mark II. Actually I got for another Golf 2, so I actually two of them. And how you know, I like classic cars and I want to keep them in good shape, and how you can see, this product protects against misted windows, mildew, damage to electrics, rust, mold stains, bad odors. That's all good stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it. This is not a sponsor video, so actually I'm going to open it. Let's read the back of the box. Thank you. Open it. Okay. There inside something there. This is pretty heavy. So we have this heavy bag. So this side will be probably the bottom side, and you can see. So plastic side down. Here's a plastic side down. Probably I leave it here. And that's the best place to put it in VC. You can use your own spot in the car. Like I use this one because it has like tray here, so it won't move when the car is moving. So that's one car done. Let's move to another. So once again, so this is my another Golf, another classic car which I want to protect. See, misted windows. So here we go again. Let's open it. Again, plastic side down, and I'm using the same spot in the car. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching me.